Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are enjoying your summer vacations. So this is me, your Pakistan studies teacher, and here this session is for summer assignment related, and this is for class lower secondary 1. And in Pakistan studies worksheet students, I have given you a research report on the topic livestock farming. Here you have to go for the research of 300 words. Here you can see I have given you few pictures and few bullet points are also there, which will be helping you out in making the research report. On the right hand side you can see that I have given you some pictures about livestock farming, and first of all get to know that what is livestock farming. Livestock farming is about rearing animals, and it is one of the most oldest and common occupation in Pakistan. Normally average village has its grazing field and they used to practice it in a different way. So here you have to just focusing these bullet points, you have to give me a research. First of all you will be just introducing the report, that you will be just giving the types and introduction. Then further you will be following its different ways which are practiced in Pakistan. There are 3 different ways, so you have to write me all the 3 different ways and their distinguishing points. Then you will be just mentioning the point that how this livestock farming is important to economy, that is financial stability is highly concerned with this livestock farming, so you will be writing points for that. Further you will be just writing the problems faced by this sector. You all know that every sector is having some problems, so you will be writing the problems which this sector is facing and the measures and solutions, that what are the solution or the remedial plans that can be made to just overcome all those problems. Then you will be writing about governmental indulgement policies and conclusion, that how the government sector is having this sector and what are the policies government has made. And finally you will be ending your research with your conclusive point, that you will be ending it with your point of view. This is all for today's PST worksheet. Jazakallah.